Hello, this is CA Aniruddha Fene. Today I am going to discuss section 162, that is appointment of directors to be voted individually. Now, section 162 prohibits appointment of directors en bloc by passing a single resolution. So, two or more directors cannot be appointed through a single resolution. Separate resolutions are required for appointing each director. Now, this section protects the shareholders' right to approve or reject any candidate. So, for example, if a resolution was supposed to be passed to appoint more than two directors, suppose four directors, in a single resolution. So, the resolution contained the appointment of four directors in a single resolution. Now, the shareholders cannot reject one director out of that resolution. They will either have to approve the whole resolution or reject the whole resolution. So, in this case, the shareholders are at a loss. So, they might have to appoint someone whom they don't want just because the others in the resolution are good. So, there are chances a bad person might also come to the board of the company just because he was appointed in a combined resolution. But if a single resolution had been passed, he would have been rejected by the shareholders. So, this section protects the rights of the shareholders to select a candidate they want. So, the section says that two or more directors of a company cannot be elected as directors by a single resolution, which implies that each person shall be appointed as a director by a separate resolution. Each director shall be appointed as a director by a separate resolution passed at the general meeting. Now, there is one exception to this. A combined resolution can be passed. That is, two or more persons can be appointed as directors through a single resolution only if a proposal was first moved at the general meeting, taking approval of all the shareholders that we are going to pass a combined resolution in the future. Now, if the proposal is passed without a single vote being cast against it, the company can pass a combined resolution after that, appointing two or more persons as directors in a single resolution. But even if one vote is cast against the proposal, this resolution cannot be passed. So what we are doing here is we are asking the shareholders, are you okay if we pass a combined resolution? If they are okay, then we can go ahead. So we are first taking their approval. So Companies Act says that two or more persons can be appointed as directors by a single resolution if a proposal to move such a resolution, that is appointing two or more persons as directors by a single resolution, has first been agreed to at general meeting without any vote being cast against it. Without any vote being cast against it. That means while the proposal is kept in front of the shareholders, majority of the shareholders have voted in favor and people have not voted even a single vote against the resolution, against the proposal to appoint the directors by combined resolution. If a resolution is moved without taking the approval of shareholders, then it is void. So even the directors who are appointed through that will be void. They will have to vacate immediately. Now, this section is not applicable to a government company, also a subsidiary of a government company, and a private company. So I hope this will help you in understanding section 160.